The car will be at Goodwood this week, where Gittin Jr will drive it up the hill climb course. Then it will be auctioned at the Experimental Aircraft Association's fundraiser event in Wisconsin on July 26th. The winning bidder won't get just the car either. The winner will also get an all-expenses-paid trip to the Woodward Dream Cruise in August. The WWII plane in question is not a P-51 Mustang, but rather Eagle Squadron Spitfire used by the Royal Air Force. There are a few reasons this plane was selected as the basis for the car. First, it will be auctioned to benefit the Experimental Aircraft Association, so a plane theme made sense. This year also marks the 100th anniversary of the Royal Air Force. Finally, since the car is American, it made sense to choose the Eagle Squadron plane, since Eagle Squadron had American volunteer pilots. Aside from the fighter plane paint scheme, the Mustang has a carbon fiber wide-body kit, custom grille and lights, and wheels from Gittin Jr.'s RTR company. Inside, the seats are fitted with brown leather and black suede upholstery. The seat backs also have the Eagle Squadron insignia. Particularly cool details included a special aluminum badge made from the metal of an actual Spitfire, and the shift knob's metal top came from a chunk of an F-35 Lightning.